Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be getting the cab lifted on this, put the cab struts on it with the latching mechanism. Let's get to work. There we go, got the boom lifted up. I'm going to use the crane off the back of my truck as an extra safety precaution. Now let's get this cab lifted. I managed to go to eBay and find a lock side cylinder. And the other side of the same machine. They were 30 bucks for this one or 40 bucks for this one. Way cheaper than the dealer because I didn't have the lock side. The lock side on for the dealer was 90 bucks, I believe. The cylinder was another 90, and then this one was, I think, 80. I think they're used, but they're in good enough shape for us. So let's get this cab lifted. Here we go. Now let's get this crane rotated around as a precaution because I really don't like working under raised things that can smush you. There we go. Actually, I think I'll use this crane to lift the cab up so I can get the tilt cylinders on. I love how easy it is to lift these cabs up. It's only 3/4 inch bolts, 2 of them up front. Then you can rock the cab up. Much easier once the struts will be installed. Honestly, the microphone died here and, well, I didn't know what I was getting into. They're not quite as straightforward to install as they are on the back hatch of your SUV. The cab seems to need to go up another 2 inches past when it tops out to be able to get those struts on easily. But we got them. Honestly, this crane has been a lifesaver. Made this job go a lot quicker. I really thought I'd just be able to pop these on in like 10 minutes without having to finagle things. But there is not anywhere near enough space with the cab topped out. Right here, the top is bolted in, and you can see how much that strut needs to be compressed before you can get it lined back up with its bolt holes. The cab needs to go up another 2 inches, maybe, to be able to easily get these on. This was the best method of lining that back up that I found. ratchet strap back to the frame, and you can slowly get it lined back up, just trial and error. Get it straightened out, then you can get those bolts started. Definitely wouldn't be able to install it without going that route. I only filmed this side. The other side's basically exactly the same. Same fiasco, but only have to deal with the lock on this side. Get that pin back in and we are done. As you can tell, I was trying to get the cab lifted up higher, but that didn't really work so good. It's topped out on the bump stops. Changing out these cab struts was surprisingly difficult, but now we got them good. Correct part number, but they are not easy to get wedged up in here. This one especially. It's in, but man, that took 2 hours to get those on. Well, one more thing done. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.